Hello students, lesson number 14, algebraic formulas, expansion of squares. Under this we seen the first formula, that is the a plus b bracket square or x plus y bracket square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square, and x minus y bracket square or a minus b bracket square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That two formulas we have studied, and yesterday I shown you how to verify these formulas, and I told you to verify put this value at the place of a and b and verify the above formulas. So here questions are given to us. What is the question given to us? 2x plus 3y is equals to, we have to write it's a expand, we have to expand this. So how to expand this? So here 2x plus 3y, we will expand this. What is the question? 2x plus 3y bracket square, that we have to expand. So first of all, it is in which form? A plus b bracket square, a plus b bracket square. What is its expansion? A plus b bracket square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is the expansion. Same here in this also, 2x means a we have to take and 3y means b we have to take, and according to this formula we have to expand this. So first of all, a square means first term square, so first term is the 2x. So here we will write its expansion 2x bracket square. Here two terms are there, that's why we have to, it is important to put the bracket over there. 2x plus 2 into a, from the formula a means what? 2x, 2 into 2x into, in number and this letter inside, in this 2ab inside, here there is no sign, that time 2a and b, in this inside multiplication sign is there. So b is equals to how much? 3y. Okay, and plus last term is the b square means how much? 3y bracket square. So let's solve the example. Here this, how to solve this? So 2x square means 2 square is 4 and x square is x square. Okay, plus we have to solve this middle term now. 2ab's value, 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so 12, and x into y is equal to xy. Understand all of you? This how we solved it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, that we wrote it here, and x into y is equal to xy. Okay, so the 2 into 2x into 3y is equal to 12xy, and plus last term square, 3 square is 9 and y square is 9y square. So the expansion of 2x plus 3y is equals to what? 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Okay, note down this. Now we will see the next example. Which is the next example? See here how it is solved. 4x square plus its factor, its expansion is 2x square plus 3y square. Answer is this. So the next example is 5x plus 5x minus 4 bracket square. 5x minus 4. So let's solve the example. What is the question? 5x minus 4 bracket square. Here which sign is there in between the 5x and 4? The negative sign is there. So which formula we have to use? We know two formulas, that is a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b bracket square is equals to a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. So to solve this example we have to use this formula. The reason behind it is that the what, in between a and b negative sign is there, and here in between 5x and 4 the negative sign is there. That's why we have to use a minus b bracket square. Which formula we have to use? It depends on this sign which is present in between the two terms. So here what is the expansion of this is the a square, means first term square. So here write 5x bracket square, bracket complete. Here negative sign is given. Here which sign is there? Negative sign is there. So you write here negative sign 2. This 2 right here as it is. A is equal to what? This is A, as I told you in before only, and this is B. So 2 into A. A is equals to 5x and B is equals to what? 4. And plus B square. B square, B means which? 4 is there. So right here 4 square. Single term is there. It's not necessary to put the bracket for it. Now next step of this example, 5 square is the 25. X square is the x square. Mine. Now do the multiplication of this. First do the multiplication of numbers. So 2, 5 and 4. This term's multiplication, 2 5s are 10. 10 4s are 14. And only one variable is here. Variable means which value is not changing. That is x, and plus 4 square is the 16. 4 square is the 16. So the expansion of 5x minus 4 bracket square is equal to 25x square minus 40x plus 16. Okay, in this way we have to solve this, find the expanded form of this. After this, let's see the question next example, that is the 51 square we have to find. You can find the 51 square by multiplying 51 into 51 also. Okay, but to solve it very fastly, we can use this formula also, which is just now we use the formula, that is expanded form also we can use. So how to find it? So 51 square is equals to 51 means what? 50 plus 1 bracket square. Now here 50 plus 1 means a plus b bracket squares expanded form we can use for this. So here what is that formula? A plus b bracket square is equal to, I am writing here for your information, a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a means 50 and b means 1. So 50 square plus 2 into 50 into 1 and into 1 and plus b square means 1 square. So 50 square how to find? 5 square 25 and 0 is on it. So 50 square is the 25 and 1 0 is there, then 2 0 0. Otherwise 50 square find, you get 2500 plus 52 is a 100 and 100 ones are 100. Multiplication of this all is equals to how much? 100, and 1 square is 1. Do the addition of this, you will get here 2601. So 51 square is the 2601. So we can find the square of a number by using our expanded square formula, that is the expansion of the square that we can use and solve the example. Now this is the solving of a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will one more example we will see. Here we have to use a minus b bracket squares expansion. So here it is shown the same method that I shown you. So here 51 means 50 plus 1, 50 square means a square plus 2ab, 2, this is a and that is b, and 1 square means 1 into 1. 50 square is 2250. Multiplication of this all in between 2 plus sign, which never terms are there who are in the multiplication, that's multiplication we have to do the together. So 51 2s are 100 and 1 1s are 1, and if you done the addition of this, you will get it here, your required answer. Now next it is the 98 square we have to find out. How to find the 98 square? Now 98 means what? The 98 means 100 minus 98 square is equals to what? 100 minus 2 bracket square. What is the factorization? A square means 100 square minus 2ab, 2 into 100 into 2 plus b square means 2 square. Okay, 100, 1 square is 1 and 4 zeros we have to write out in 1 square 1. here 2 are there, 2 zeros are there, square it is there, 2 double is 4, that's why 4 zeros we have to give here. Okay, so here 10,000 plus multiplication of these terms, 2 2s are 4 and 4 into 100 is equal to 400, and plus 2 square is the 4. Do the addition of this, so you will get it here 10404. Sorry, subtraction we have to do. Now let's do. So here, see here 100, the multiplication of this is equal to, here by mistake I wrote the plus sign, actually negative sign we have to take here, and plus 2 square. So 100 minus 400 is equal to how much? 10,000 minus 400 is equals to 96,000, and plus 4 is 9600. So here plus 4 is equals to, here 2 square, instead of this we will write here 4. If you do the subtraction and addition of this is equals to 9600, 4 is its answer. In this way we can use the expansion of the squares to solve the example. Okay, now here it is shown, this question. See here, 98 means 100 minus 2. Nearly we have to take round figure here, nearest round figure we have to take here. So 100 square minus 2ab means 2 into 100 into 2, and then last term square, that is the b square. 100 square is 10,000, multiplication of this is 400, and this 2 square is 4. Subtraction of this is equal to 9,600 plus 4 is equal to 9,604. After this, here practice set number 50 is there given to you to solve. All of you solve this. Okay, and then we will see the next one more expansion, then our lesson may be finishes. Okay, so here one more expansion form is given to us, that is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, simply we have to do the multiplication of this a plus b and a minus b. So I will show you how it is there. A plus b and here a minus b. So as I told you, a into this whole bracket, so a into a minus b, and b plus b into a minus b. Okay, now the next step is the a into a square, and a into b minus ab. Okay, because here negative sign is there, and negative, positive into negative, what? Negative. So next here multiplication of this, b into a is equal to ab plus ab, and minus b into b is equals to b square, plus ab get cancels with minus ab, and here remains a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, its factorization is a plus b and the a minus b. Its expansion is the expansion of a square minus b square is the a plus b and a minus b. That also formula is very important. This is a third formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, this is the third formula, and by using this formula, here how to solve the examples, that also I will tell you. So here two terms are there here given, 3x and 4y. Terms are same, 3x and 4y. Here only difference is the plus and minus. So at this type of example inside we have to use the what? That is the expansion formula. So here what is the formula? A square minus b square, one's plus and one's minus. So which is the first term? 3x. So 3x square minus 4y. So here it is 4y square, and 3 square is the 9, x square is x square, 4 square is 16, y square is the y square. So the expansion of this is equals to 9x square plus 16y square. Okay, I will show you one more time, so better understand, you will better understand. 3x minus 4y plus 4y, and 3x minus 4y. Terms are same, so what we have to do? 3x square minus, use the factorization which? A minus b bracket square. So 4y bracket square. 3 square is the 9, x square minus 4 square 16, y square. In this way we have to solve the example. And the next one more example is given to us, 102 into 98. That also we can solve by using our a minus b and a plus b's factorization method. So 102 means what? 102 means 100 plus 2. 102 means 100 plus 2, and 98 means 900 minus 2. Now we got it here, a plus b and a minus b. What is its factorization? A square minus b square. A is equals to what is here? 100. So 100 square minus 2 square. 100 square is the 10,000. 100 square is the 10,000 minus 2 square is the 4. And subtraction of this is equal to 9,996. In this way, we have to use this formula for expansion, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. And 51st exercise also you have to solve. Okay, and then the next point is that next point is given to us, that we will see in our next lecture, because actually it is a very short point. So we will complete today only. So we have to learn to factorize whole number. Let us learn factorize algebraic expression. So factorize the monomial. Monomial means what? It has only one term. Okay. So 15 is a monomial because it is a one term. 1 and 5 is there, but it is actually 15. 15 means what? 3 5s are 15. Yes. So 3 and 5 is the factors of the 15. Okay. So 3x if it is there. So 3x means what? 3 into x. Just I told you before, if there in between 3 and x there is a no sign, then that time which sign is present in between them? That is the sign which multiplication sign is present in between them. So here 3 into x is 3x is equal to 3 into x, and that's why the factors of 3x are 3 and x. Same way 5t square. So 5t square, 5 is a which number? That is the prime number. So its factors are not there. So 5 right here as it is. And t square means what? T into t. Okay. Suppose I will write here 8p cube. So 8p cube. Its factorization 8 means what? 2 into 2 into 2. We have to take the prime numbers here. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. And p cube means p how many times? 3 times. Into p into p. So this is the factorization of the monomial. It is a monomial. Same way here one more example is given to us, that is the 6ab square. So 6 means what? 2 3s are 6. A right here as it is. B square means b into b. In this way, this is the factorization we have to do. So here it is given you the 52nd exercise, 201 into a cube into b cube. At that time you have to find the 201's factors. Okay, how you can find it? By using the factorization 201's factors. So here 201, in this way you can find. So 3 6 are 18, remains 2, and 3 7s are 21. Okay, and 67 is a prime number, so 61 ones are 61. So 67 into 3 into a into a into a, and b square is equal to b square is equal to b into b. In this way you just find the what is the factorization of 91xy t square. 91 means 13 6 6 meant was 13 6. So 13 7. So 91 means 13 into 7 into x into y, and t square means t into t. In this way just solve the examples. Okay, complete the exercise. And then next is the mixed. All examples, mixed examples are given in this exercise. You just solve it. Okay, next part of the lesson we will see in our next lecture. Okay.